Hi guys, it's Joe with Slice's Concession. We're going to take a look today at a Taylor 794. What we're going to do is assemble this machine so that it's ready for operation. The first thing we did is we disassembled the machine last night. We cleaned all the parts, sanitized them, we left them overnight to dry. So now we're going to start our assembly. We're going to start with the drive shafts, which go on the back of the machine. We're going to take our drive shaft gasket and a little bit of Taylor lube. You can use any lube that's NSF certified. I'm going to put a little bit right in along there. We want to make sure that we keep the lube off of this rear part of the drive shaft. We slide that back in and it pops right in place. Let's do the other one. Now we're going to insert our beaters. We've already assembled the blades onto the beaters. And these just turn and lock into place after they slide in. Something to note, when these beaters go in, if there's no resistance and it just slides in easily, then these beaters or these blades are definitely worn out. So you want to make sure there's some resistance as you're sliding this beater in. So now we're going to assemble the faceplate. To do this, we're going to start with the plungers. The plungers have 2 gaskets per plunger, and we're just going to pop them on and add a little bit of lube. Same thing with the next one. So. Place. While you're assembling these parts, you want to look for any kind of tears or wear in the gaskets themselves. Then replace them as needed. I'm going to turn to the bottom. We're going to pop on our star cones. Add our levers. Okay. Do the inside. This machine's for demonstration, but if we were ready to start making mix, as soon as I get these screws tightened nice and tight on the faceplate, we can open the top hopper, remove our air tubes, and we can pour in our ice cream mix, so we're ready to go. For more information on Taylor 794s and other machines, please visit us at slicesconcession.com.